Mistplay earnings depend on how often you play, which games are available in your account, and how quickly you complete the required activities inside each game. By the end, you'll understand how Mistplay earnings work, what affects your weekly rewards, and how to check whether the time you spend playing is worth it for you. Mistplay is a rewards app that lets users earn points by playing featured mobile games and completing in-game goals. Those points can be redeemed for available rewards through the app. The first thing to understand is that Mistplay does not pay a fixed weekly amount. Your results can change based on the games offered, how long you play, and how much progress you make inside those games. Section 1 is how earnings are created. When you open Mistplay, the available games are shown inside the app. Each game can have different goals and point opportunities. Your progress is tracked through the app, so completing the listed activities is what moves you toward rewards. The second factor is time. Playing for a few minutes occasionally will usually create a different result than regularly spending more time completing game objectives. The amount of time you spend should be compared with the value of the rewards you actually receive. Section 2 is how to track your results. Open the Mistplay app and check your current point balance, available games, and reward options. Tracking your progress over several days gives you a better idea of whether the app fits your routine. Avoid judging earnings from a single gaming session. Some games may provide more opportunities than others, and your available offers can change over time. Section 3 is deciding if Mistplay is worth using. Mistplay works best for people who already enjoy mobile gaming and want rewards as an extra benefit. It is not the same as a traditional job or guaranteed income source because earnings depend on your activity and available offers. The key points are simple. Mistplay rewards you through points. Your weekly results depend on your gameplay and available opportunities, and tracking your own results is the best way to measure value. Your next step is to use the app consistently for a period of time, record your progress, and compare the rewards with the time you spend. If this guide helped you understand Mistplay earnings, like the video and subscribe for more real app earning breakdowns.